This test is called a wrist extension. Of course, you're going to test it on both sides. We can use tape just like we would use for the ankle test range of motion, and we're going to put Veronica's fingers on the edge of the tape, which we've already pre-measured to be 4.5 inches. That's our full range of motion for women. What we're going to have her do is lock her shoulder blade back and down so that it's not moving, and we're going to have Veronica with a straight elbow. Very important that the elbow is straight. You notice there's no bend to it. She's going to try to tilt her body forward and bring her shoulder to the rig. That's full range of motion. If her heel of the hand lifts off the floor on her way in, she's going to be limited in this if you set her up at 4.5 inches to start. For men, it's going to be 5.5 inches for a full range of motion. Watch for people who are going to cheat this test a little bit by maybe twisting their body and trying to get their shoulder to it. So again, we want to make sure the shoulder is back and down, and all we want to tell them is elbow straight, tilt your body forward until your shoulder touches the rig. Any more than that, and they're going to try to cheat the test. This is wrist extension.